This is another rust locker video and you are watching me do stuff. Yes, this is another rust locker video and today I'm going to be doing something which I've tried several times to make sound exciting, but it just isn't. But it does have some uses, and that is to fit some polyurethane plastic Delrin door bushings to the doors on the MX5. Basically there's a little rubber grommet in the door frame that holds the door tight when it's shut. Over 20 years or so the rubber gets supple and floppy and doesn't actually hold the door very tight. So by replacing them with Delrin door bushings, you can actually tighten up the handling apparently. Because an MX5 is a convertible, the doors actually provide quite a lot of chassis strength. So by replacing them with tighter bushings, you can actually improve your handling a little bit, so they say. Also reduce door rattle. I have noticed that going over bumps and railway tracks, things like that, you can actually hear the door jiggling and rattling a little bit as you go over. So I'm hoping to cure that. It's going to be a nice easy job hopefully, which is going to be good for this kind of weather. I'm also ill, so I don't really want to be sitting on my back in the drizzle doing anything too taxing. So this is going to be a nice easy little job, little mod to do on the MX5. Hope you're going to stick with me for it. Let's get outside and we'll see what's up. Oh yeah, and also there's been a development. Managed to buy myself a hard top, so that's good for the winter. It's not in the best of nick, but I got a good deal on it, so I'll also show you that when we go outside. Hello, what are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hello, what you doing? What's this? Biscuits? Biscuits? Come on. Come on in. Right, so this is the hard top that I've got. As you can see, it is black, but there's a lot of chipping going on where the paint's coming away. A few cracks here and there. You can see where it used to be red, and someone's painted it. But it all seals nicely. It's waterproof. Okay, so here are the standard stock door bushings, and as you can see, very squishy, very squishy. Let's see if we can get an idea of the door shut sound. Just noticed my door light switch doesn't work. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to replace these with the new ones. Looks like it's going to be a nice easy job. A couple of bolts out, a couple of bolts in. Okay, so these are the new ones compared to these old squishy ones. They look kind of the same size, but obviously fatter. On the edge of the door here you can see the cup that these fit into, and that is quite a tight, snug fit. So I don't think these need shaving down at all. It's going to be snug, but they do fit in there. These aren't bent or warped in any way. So now it's a case of taking this old one off. Good old 10mm. that a bit of a clean. And now you get your new hardware. These bushings came with new bolts, so always nice to use some shinies. Now apparently you want to put these in loosely at first so that the door can sort of self-adjust to them. Keep it a little bit loose so it's got a bit of movement in it, and then we shut the door. Make sure that it's shut properly, open it carefully, and then without moving it, tighten those bolts up. Okay, and then we shut the door again just to check. Yep. All good. So, before, after. There you go, told you that would be a nice quick and easy mod to do. Didn't involve me lying on the ground or getting wet, so that's always a good thing. Now I didn't need to do much adjustment at all to those bushings, although I did read in the instructions that you may need to shave down the sides a little bit with some sandpaper, depending on the cups on your doors, whether they're deformed or not. You may need to make some more adjustments than I did. As to whether it's going to improve the handling or not, I'm a little bit sceptical still, but I definitely have noticed there is a much more solid thunk to the doors when you close them. It probably doesn't pick it up very well on camera, but in real life it definitely sounds like there's more of a solid chunk to the doors than there was before. I'll have to drive around for a little bit, go over some railway tracks and some bumps, see if the door vibration is cured, but I think it will be. Definitely the doors are a lot more solid. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you've got any questions, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one.